Welcome to another decently played game with the Night Mutilator, courtesy of Bloodshed Deathbath. Today we're gonna play Safe Cracker.
I am the Candy 2000 security system. 45 minutes until area shutdown. 45 minutes until area shutdown.
Let's wheel and deal.
That was not a nice thing to do.
Lock is lit.
High security area.
We're in the board game, so I'm not going to show you this because it's too scary. Okay, I'm looking for a magic token. Got a 3. Got some time that I've wanted, 5 minutes of it. Oh, I just landed on the dog.
Released. For your own safety, please leave the area immediately.
That worked. Back in the board game.
Unauthorized
Got 20,000.
access.
He's fine now.
Oh, I just got the vault alarm.
It's the cops. Running. It was slick. Let's wheel and deal. We've still got time.
5 minutes until area shutdown.
We don't have much time.
Intruder is now in sudden death.
Let's lock him up. Attaboy. Let's wheel and deal.
That was not a nice thing to do. For your own safety, please leave the area immediately.
Beautiful. Let's wheel and deal.
Well, that was very decent. Let's see what we finished with. If we match, I have to go over there. 575 to 80.
You
Thank you,
have
Slurpee.
been terminated.
And that is Safe
Have
Cracker.
a nice day.
Very interesting game. You too can be this decent if you buy this machine. Goodbye.